able to walk normally because the tools are there the same way it is in your normal desktop software that you install. Everything they are there, the tools. Then look at it, they are all there, the tools are there. Then the normal way you navigate everything you are able to do on the when you are working on the installed version, you still be able to do them all. Still be able to do them all. Everything you have been doing before, you can do them again and again and again and again. So there is no, I didn't see any difference. What you before is still the same thing you are going to do on the web. Well, let me quickly show you a review of how it looks like when you are using AutoCAD on your mobile phone or other mobile devices. This review is actually about AutoCAD 360 Pro, but the name of the software is no more that, not that 360 is not available anymore. It is available, but the AutoCAD viewer and editor is what I'm talking about, and this is how it works on when you are using it. Let me quickly show you a review concerning that.
Got the app here. I'm going to show you here. So I've got AutoCAD 360. So I'm going to open that and we're going to go and create a file, and then we're going to make a simple room, a door and a window by using the tools available in this tool. So let's get started. I have now, it's AutoCAD 360 Pro. There's a paid version and a free version as well, so you get 30 days trial version, which is pretty amazing. I guess you get to use this, and if you like it you can upgrade it. In the app now, I'm going to create a new file. Tap on the plus sign to create a new file. Here you got three options. The first option is basically create a new file, connect your storage. If you have a storage such as OneDrive, Google Drive, and your DWG file are in there, you can access them from here. So you can upload a file directly from your phone as well. So I'm going to create a new file by tapping here, tap on done and tap on OK now. Alright, so now a file is being created now. Okay, so we got the panel at the bottom. On the top we got some settings there. So first let's go and set up our drawing. So I'm going to tap on this arrow button, which is going to take me to settings, and then tap on this setting button. Alright, so down here I want you to change unit types to inches. That's the most important thing. It's up to you guys. The other units are available here as well, such as meters, kilometers, units, millimeters. So but I use feet and inches, so that's why I changed this to inches. So on the top we got object snapping. You can turn off object snapping, tracking there, object snapping mode. If you tap here you can see endpoint intersection. So it's pretty cool. This app is pretty amazing, I guess. I mean, I've used it for like 2 weeks now, and I've edited my drawings, and even I created a new project in this app. Okay, so let's go to the app now. We will explore this setting during this tutorial, so don't worry, I will explain all the settings available here. So I'm gonna tap on this blue arrow to get out from the settings. Down here we got about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 panels. So the first panel I've got is a draw panel, and I've got about 6 commands in the panel. Next we got annotation, measure, dimension, GPS. Okay, so the modify panel as well, it wouldn't work because we don't have any object in the drawing yet. Okay, so now let's go and create room, and then we will trim that room, and then we're gonna make a door and a window. So I'm gonna select a draw panel, and I'm going to select a rectangle command. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out. You gotta use 2 fingers and set up the dimension. That's 10 by 10 feet. So let's go and select that, and then I'm going to tap on offset tool, right? So offset that, and now I want to use my 2 fingers, right, and then just pan inside, and I'm going to just tap on any arbitrary point there. So tap here. This is going to make an offset of 2 feet 6 inches, but I don't want to do that. So I have to tap the dimensions, and then I'm going to select the dimension, and 3 feet is fine. I'm going to change that to 6 inches. Okay, so the best way to do that is basically if I that draw panel, and let's go and create a line here. Alright, so that's the same thing. All you need is a rectangle, line, circle, arc, and trim, extend, offset command to make a pretty decent, a simple plan. So all you gotta do is just get used to with these commands. That's it. That line's done. Okay, and then we're gonna go and change this to, let's say, 2 feet. Okay, so let's deselect everything by pressing on this yellow button, and then I'm going to get rid of this middle line. So select that, go to your modify panel. It automatically takes you to the modify panel here. So let's delete that line now, and now we're gonna use the trim command. Okay, so let me select this line and this line. Okay, and then go and select that trim command, then get rid of this, right? Okay, well, you could make those lines in the middle. You guys know how to show them. So I can make another offset on the both sides to make it a bit wider, but that's kind of window we have. Alright. Okay, so we have done a door and a window in this software. So I'm pretty much showing you the basic concept, what are the commands available. So now we're gonna go and explore.
So in a nutshell, it's amazing if you can just download the software on your phone, and you are going to really enjoy it. It's just like working on normal AutoCAD on the system. So there is nothing stopping anyone from learning. There is no barrier. AutoCAD has come to stay. So let us just buckle up. Let everybody get registered. Contact me. I know exactly what I can do for you to help you to get along whichever way. Either you have no laptop, whatever thing, just tell me, let me know. One thing I understand is that over the years, nothing gets cheaper. If you say, oh, I don't have a laptop, so laptop is not going to get cheaper. AutoCAD is not going to get cheaper. AutoCAD is getting expensive every time. You won't believe it. But, those who know, they know. But let me tell you, to use AutoCAD free, you have to register with them and let them know you are a student, so that they can give you, anytime you want to download, so that you can download it for free, and they are going to give you the trial version, at least for a longer period of time. So after that, I think you have to pay when the time they give you lapse. Some they can give you a year, it's 2 years and the likes, because they also understand students don't have money. So please just contact me whichever stage you are. If you're a beginner, let me know. If you're intermediate, you have been using it before, and if you're a professional in the field, I will put you through how you can make use of it even without carrying your laptop. I've made also a review concerning that, a video review concerning that, which, yes, I'm still going to share that also. So please just get registered. Let us start. Everything has been made in place, where you can access the videos, the files, that you can see them and work on, and you really enjoy it. I'm sure that you enjoy it. So I'll be expecting you. Good luck in your endeavors.